What's up guys, Dr. Aaron Macon here with Revival Performance Physical Therapy, and I'm going to be showing you guys a great exercise to help loosen up your radial nerve. So if you're having pain right here in the hand or anywhere along this pathway, it could be your radial nerve. So your nerves, all your nerves come from your spine, your brain, and they come out your neck, and then your radial nerve in particular goes down around here, around that arm, on the outside here, and then into these fingers on the back side of your hand. So it can get tight, just like muscles can get tight, and when we do just stretch our nerves, it's a little bit more gentle than muscles, but you just gently floss the nerves, or kind of move them through their pathway and stretch those. So I'll show you the way that puts the most tension on that nerve, and once you feel that tension, you hang out there for a second or two, and then come out of that, while moving one of those, a joint along its pathway to help give you more tension and less tension. So first what you're gonna do, having your arm, you can have your arm out here like this, you're flexing your wrist like this. What I do a lot of times, because it does go down to the back side of the thumb, is I'll hold my thumb like this, flex the wrist, have my arm down to my side, internally rotate the humerus or the arm here so it's pointing out, flexing the wrist there, and then side bend away. So that nerve is coming from here, all the way down, wrapping around over to here. So this is the most tension that you can put on that nerve here, and then there's even a little bit more. So there, and then if you feel that tension, move a joint, doesn't matter which one. Neck's a little easiest because this one kind of gets confusing, but keeping that neck in a neutral position, you could also just move the elbow, move the wrist, finding some tension along that pathway of that nerve, feeling that tension, coming out of it, feeling that tension, coming out of it. Going in and out of that. Don't go too aggressive on nerve stretches because they can get a little temperamental. If you stretch them too much, they can be achy. You probably won't injure them, you're not gonna hurt them, but if you go a little aggressive on it, it can make it ache the rest of the day, which nobody wants that. And that's kind of the point of you doing this, right? Is to just stretch that nerve out. So again, grab the thumb with your hands, flex the wrist, internally rotate, extend, and side bend your neck. So do the subscribing now, have fun.